Albatross is one of the largest birds in the world. When it spreads its wings, it can reach up to 4 meters wide. And you won't believe this, their cry sounds just like a goat bleating. That's why some people even call them the sea goats. They spend most of their life flying over the ocean, only coming to land for breeding. And here's the strangest thing, you know what they recognize? Not their chicks, but their nest. If a baby falls out even just nearby, the parent won't take it back. And that's not all. These birds can fly non-stop for years, sometimes even up to 5 years without touching land, just gliding across the skies. So yeah, the albatross is truly a miracle of the bird world. Tell me, did this surprise you too?